Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and enjoying all lessons taught teaching by your teachers. Today I will give you the solution of your next chapter, chapter number 2, and in this chapter there are question answers, true false, multiple choice questions and question answers. The name of your chapter is spreadsheet, formulas and function. So let us start without wasting much of your time. Let us start today's lesson with solution of your all the exercises and question answers. First exercise is fill in the blanks. Formulas are used to perform dash. Answer will be calculations. The address in a formula is also called cell reference. The address in a formula that does not change on copying is considered as dash. Answer will be absolute reference. Dash are inputs to functions which accept values as number or text. Answer will be arguments. Last, the dash character is used for concatenation of strings. Answer will be and. This sign will concat two characters. So this is the solution of your fill in the blanks. Now next exercise. Next exercise is true or false. The first question is formula must begin with the question mark. It is absolutely wrong. Formulas must begin with the equal to sign. Equal to sign. So in place of question mark, you can write equal to. Next, in absolute referencing, the relative position of rows and columns changes where you copy a formula. This is also wrong. This is the quality of relative referencing. So in place of absolute, write relative. Next, in absolute referencing, dollar sign is used before the cell coordinates. It is true. A range can be used in a formula. It is also true. The error hashtag value occurs if the number is divided by a 0. It is wrong. The error hashtag value occurs if the formula contains invalid data. So in place of number is divided by a 0, you can write formula contain invalid data. So this is the solution of your true or false. Next question is MCQ. That means multiple choice question. The first question, to use the sheet reference, which address is appropriate out of the following options? Here the correct option is corrected by red ink. So keep in mind the point which is, or we can say the option which is written by red ink, it is the right answer of your question. So the right answer for first question will be C, sheet 1 exclamation mark D4. This will be your first answer. Next, which key combination is used to get the sum of the value of adjacent cells? Answer will be Alt plus equal. It doesn't mean that you have to press all these three. No, Alt equal. Alt plus means you have to together press Alt and equal button to get this. Which function finds the largest number in range? Answer will be max. It is by name clear. Which of the given cell reference can be used in a relative reference? So the answer will be A3. Last, which function is used to count the number of numeric values in a range? Answer will be A, count. Now I will go on to the answers. Answer the following questions. In answer the following question, the first question is, what is a formula? Explain with an example. So the solution is, formulas are used to perform calculations. A formula establishes a relationship between two or more cells. It is an expression that can include cell addresses, numbers, arithmetic operators, and parentheses. Formula must begin with equal to symbol followed by cell reference and operators. For example, equal A1 plus B1 plus 5 into sum G2 double colon G5. G2 double colon means it is the range from G2 to G5. These value you have to firstly add. Sum is for addition. Next question. What is cell reference? Mention its types. The answer is, the cell address that we use in the formula is known as the cell reference. There are three types: relative reference, absolute reference, mixed reference. Next question. What do you know about absolute reference? Explain with the help of an example. Solution is, absolute reference is used when we do not want to change the address of the cell while copying the formula to another cell. To use absolute reference in a cell, you need to add $sign before the column and row number. For example, equals to $A, $1 plus $A, $2. It shows that how we have to use absolute referencing method. Next, explain circular reference with an example. A circular reference occurs when a formula in a cell refers to its own cell value directly or indirectly. For example, if we enter the formula equals to A1 plus A2 into 3 in cell A2, we are making the formula to refer to its own cell value, which is not possible. A warning will be displayed in such a case. So this is the case of circular reference. It is just like that we are running in a circle and we are catching our own back. So in that case, we can say it is not possible. So this is known as circular reference. What do you mean by a function? Name some of the functions. Functions are the pre-designed formulas in Excel to perform both simple and complex calculations. Functions save time and eliminate the chance to write wrong formulas. They accept arguments and return values. Functions begin with the equal to sign followed by the function name and then the list of arguments separated by comma within the parenthesis. Some of the functions are autosum, average, today. Always keep in mind, if you are writing any function, then after that name you have to put brackets, small brackets. Last question of this chapter. What are the rules to enter a function? The rules to enter a function are: all Excel function must begin with equal sign. Keep in mind. Function name must be a valid Excel name. For example, sum, average. The spelling of average is wrong over here. Correct it. It should be AVERAGE. Next, arguments are enclosed in the parenthesis. For example, equals to sum A1 double colon A5. Whenever I have I used to write A1 double colon A5. That means it is the range of A1 to A5. Keep in mind. So thank you and have a nice day. Keep yourself away from this pandemic situation. Thank you.